I would like to congratulate Ronel and Joanne. Bakit congratulations? It's not just about, ipapakasal na kayo. Dahil magkasintahan kayo for quite some time. Ilang taon kayong naging boyfriend-girlfriend. Kapag kakasama ang Diyos, may extra lakas. Lakas ng katawan, lakas ng pag-iisip, lakas ng dibdib, at lakas spiritual. And hopefully, sa inyong pagbuo ng pamilya, naway yung kahalagahan din na ito, na presensya ng Diyos sa buhay, yung inyong ipamana o ipangaral sa inyong magiging anak. Mga anak. No?
Today, I choose you and I will choose you, continue to choose you every day. I promise to love you with all my heart and to create a beautiful life together. With you, I have found my true partner and I'm committed to sharing all that life brings. Embracing every moment with love and gratitude. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Mommy. Simula nang makilala kita, Mami, pinagdadasal ko ang araw na ito kahit wala ka sa aking tabi. Magkaibang oras mananatili sa aking puso't isipan, umaga man o gabi. Mangangakong sa harap ng Diyos, ating pamilya, ating mga kaibigan, sa ating mga anak at sa buong mundo, na namamahalin ka habang buhay. I love you, I always, Mami.
Love you, Daddy.
I love you, Mami. Ronel, gawin mo lahat. Alam kong ikaw ay isang masipag na bata. Alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan. Good luck.
Ronel and Joanne, now that you have received the Holy Sacrament of Matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another. Joanne, love your husband and be a good housewife. Persevere in faith and love and holiness. Ronel, love your wife as Christ loves His church, and live with her in the holy fear of the Lord.
Joanne, receive this ring as a sign of my love. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Ronel, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Ronel and Joanne, have you come here to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly?
I have.
I have.
Are you prepared, as you follow the path of marriage, to love and honor each other for as long as you both shall live?
I am.
Are you prepared to accept children lovingly from God and to bring them up according to the law of Christ and His church?
I am.
My world was going under.
Kuya Ronel, Ate Joanne, unang-una sa lahat, congratulations. Sana ay palagi kayong gabayan ng Panginoon sa inyong pagsasama at congratulations to the both of you and best wishes.
Hello Kuya, congrats Ate Joanne. Wishing you both a lifetime filled with endless love and laughter. Congratulations on your beautiful journey together.
Say I've got 1, 2, 3, some kind of ABC.
Parang alam ko na to. Mami, sana magustuhan mo ang munting regalo ko at magamit mo araw-araw. I can't wait to marry you. See you later. Mami. Parang wala akong ganito. Parang ako nang pumili nito.
Wow! Parang Dior! Perfect!
See you later.
Congratulations sa kuya ko at saka sa sister-in-law ko. Ano mang dumating na problema sa buhay nyo, huwag kakalimutang magdasal lagi sa Panginoon. Pag may problema, subukang ayusin bilang mag-asawa. Huwag paiiralin ang away para matagal ang inyong pagsasama.
But that's all part of me. Hey, there's pills for that too. There's pills for heartache. There's pills to fall in.
Today I choose you and I will continue to choose you every day. I promise to love you with all my heart and to create a beautiful life together with you. I have found my true partners and I am continued to sharing all that life brings, embracing every moment of love and gratitude.
Here I am. I'm peeling off the stone.
Best wishes, Pao. Sana mabigyan mo si Ate Joan ng ilang anak gusto mo?
10.
10. Thank you. Cheers!
If this is me, I love the way it hurts. Yeah, 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 I love the way it hurts. There's pills for heartache. There's pills to fall in love too, but I won't be.
Ronel, you may now kiss your wife, Joanne.
If you take a